This is Mike and Ben, and we're doing the HVAC component identification on a 2004 Ford Explorer. And so, first thing we got here is the lines going to our evaporator.
You can't see the evaporator, but these lines run into it underneath the firewall, behind the firewall.
Then if you look way down there, you can't really see it on the video, but you have your drain valve at the bottom there. It's just down there a ways. Then coming inside the vehicle, you have your blower motor right here, and then you have your recirculation motor right up in here. And then if you move a little bit over this way, you have your temperature control. It's motor, it's the little guy moving right there.
All right, now we're under the driver's side. We're gonna look at blower speed. That would be, obviously it's not on, so you can't tell. You're running into these ones. Oh gosh, you see two little motors there. And then coming up for mode, which is this. As you can tell, that is the other motor right there. You can see it slowly moving here. And then the controls up here, controls there. All right, still under the driver's side. From there all the way over to the passenger side, as Mike explained, this is all the HVAC system, all underneath the dash.